name is Massimo Brogi, and with my wife Megan Barr, we are the co-founder of our culinary school located near Florence, Tuscany. The Academy was born nearly 20 years ago from our biggest passion: food, wine, and people. The purpose has been to offer authentic culinary experiences to people from all over the world. Our Academy is certified ISO 9001-2008 by SPS Cert SA, an accredited certification authority from Switzerland. The location is in our historic 14th century estate, a large property on the foothills of Florence comprising a vineyard and olive grove. Villa Pandolfini Estate has a long history and has accommodated many dignitaries over the centuries, such as King Charles VIII and Napoleon. You can learn the art and intricacies of Italian cuisine from our professionally qualified Italian chefs. Courses are held in English, however, our chefs speak Italian, French, and Spanish. Fresh and seasonal ingredients are used, food that stays true to the tradition and healthy Italian diet. We offer a number of different itineraries to suit participants at all cooking levels, from novice to the expert. One day, multiple days, cooking vacations. This last culinary program has been designed for lovers of Tuscany and all that it represents. The charming medieval towns, the centuries-old traditions, the people and their culture, the art, and of course, the great food and incredible wine. Intense Weekly is a fantastic program perfect for those who are happy to cook until they drop and stay on a lovely Tuscan estate. If you require a vegetarian cooking class, vegan, organic, or gluten-free diet, our cooking class caters to participants with various dietary needs to allow you to enjoy this unforgettable gastronomic journey. We have certified master programs for professional chefs. Master in Italian cuisine, Northern and Southern Italian cuisine. This course gives you a real taste of a country that loves its food with a passion. Discover how these magnificent regional classics change from the mountains to the coast, from north to south, and the mainland to the islands. Fully embrace your own passion for Italian food and refine your culinary skills. We also have courses for students and team building for corporations. We provide all-around gastronomical experience with combination of our cooking classes and organized tours including wine tasting, cellar visits, truffle hunting, market tours, cheese factory visits, and many more. We pride ourselves on keeping our clients happy. We want our clients to enjoy the cooking experience, and we aim to create a memorable experience for our customers with a personal touch.